Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to factory reset your Night Owl DVR. In case you've forgotten your password or just need a fresh start. Asterisk to factory reset your Night Owl DVR. Start by right-clicking anywhere on the live view screen using the connected mouse. This will bring up the on-screen menu bar. Click on any of the icons in the menu to continue. In the DVR menu, select the Forgot Password option. This will open the password reset screen. Now, check your email inbox for a message from Night Owl that includes a password reset secure code. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case. Take the secure code from the email and enter it into the secure code field on your DVR screen. Then left-click anywhere just below the on-screen keyboard and press OK to proceed. If the secure code doesn't work, it might be due to an incorrect system date or an error with the UID or ID entered in the reset form. In that case, return to the password reset tool online and try again with the correct info. Once the secure code is accepted, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Enter your new password, then confirm it when asked. After the reset is successful, your DVR might reboot automatically. If it doesn't, unplug the power adapter from the back of the DVR, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. That's it. Your Night Owl DVR password has now been reset. So remember, you'll need to remove and re-add your DVR to the mobile app afterward so everything stays SYNCED. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.